I broke the world record for motorcycles. $950,000.
Thanks to your promotion.
But you can pick up a repeat for about maybe 50. And the one that Lawrence of Arabia used to ride, a Rough Superior. Those are the two really expensive bikes these days. Says Red Molly to James, that's a fine motorbike. Now a girl could feel special on any searchlight. Says James to Red Molly, my hat's off to you. That's a Vincent Black Lightning 1952. And I've seen you at the corners and cafes, it seems. Red hair and black leather, my favorite color scheme. And he put her on behind and down to Box Hill they did ride. Says James to Red Molly, is there a ring for your right hand? I tell you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. For I fought with the law since I was 17. I robbed a many a man to get my Vincent machine. And now I'm 21 years, about to make 22. And I don't mind dying, but for the love of you. And if fate should break my stride, I give you my Vincent to ride. Come down, Red Molly, for Sergeant McRae, for they're taking young James 80 for armed robbery. Shotgun blast in his chest, left nothing inside. Come down, Red Molly, to his dying bedside. When she came to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running out of road, he was running out of breath. But he smiled to see her cry. Said, I'll give you my Vincent to ride. Says James, in my opinion, there's nothing in this world beats a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. Now Triumphs and Nortons and Beezers won't do. They don't have a soul like a Vincent 52. We reached for a hand, slipped her the I've got no further use for these. I see angels on aerials and leather and crown swooping down from heaven to carry me home. We gave her one last kiss and died, and he gave her his Vincent too.